Good morning, everyone. Did you know green plants are the only organisms on earth that manufacture their own food? Cutting a tree means killing life, but saving a tree means you save a life. So, students, to make this world pollution free, plant more and more trees and save the environment. So students, today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter 11, Forests and Wildlife.
Van Mahotsav or the Festival of Trees is celebrated in India since 1950. Yes students, since 1950, Festival of Trees is celebrated in India. Yes? Okay. It is also known as Forest Day in India. It is celebrated every year from 1st to 7th July. The festival spreads awareness among people about the harm which has been caused by the cutting down of trees. Yes, children, what will happen when we cut down trees? Yes, if we cut the trees, it will disturb the balance in nature. Yes, everyone? Okay. Over the past few years, the forest covers in India has reduced a lot. During the Van Mahotsav week, every citizen of India is expected to plant a sapling at home, office, school, or college. Yes, students? Okay. Since the beginning of the festival, it is believed that thousands of saplings have been planted in many areas. Yes, thousands of saplings have been planted in many areas. It is one of the measures which the government has taken to protect our environment. Okay, children? Why are trees important to us? Let's see. Trees help us in many ways, like they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is very essential for all humans and animals. Yes, students? Okay. Trees protect our environment. Yes, trees protect our environment. Animals and birds are also dependent on plants for their food, shelter, and protection. Yes, students? Without trees, we cannot survive. Yes? So, we should plant a tree and save our earth. Children, our country is rich in natural resources. What do you mean by natural resources? Let's see. Nature has given us air, water, animal and plant life, soil and minerals, and many other things. They are called natural resources, which help us directly and indirectly to survive. Isn't it? Yes. Some natural resources which are present in India are forests, wildlife, soil, minerals, and water. There are two types of natural resources: exhaustible, inexhaustible. Children, what do you mean by exhaustible resources? Natural resources which are limited in quantity are called exhaustible resources. Yes, students, natural resources which are limited in quantity are called exhaustible resources. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now, what do you mean by inexhaustible resources? Resources which are available in plenty, resources which are available in plenty and do not reduce in quantity even after continuous use are called inexhaustible resources. Yes, students? Understood everyone? That's good. Now, let us see some examples of exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Petroleum and coal are examples of exhaustible resources. Yes, students? We can use it in limited quantity. We cannot use it more than the available quantity because it will finish one day. Yes? Clear everyone? Okay. Now, air and sunlight are examples of inexhaustible resources. Okay? So students, we can use these resources as much as we want. It will never finish. Clear everyone? Okay children, now let us read about forests of India. Do you know children what is a forest? A large area of land that is thickly covered with trees and shrubs is called a forest. Yes children? Forests are an important natural resource and help us in many ways. Isn't it? Okay, now let us see types of forests. Various types of forests present in India. They are evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon forest, thorn and scrub forest, mountain forest, tidal or mangrove forest. Students, they are found in different regions and influence the life of the people there in many ways. Let us understand more about these forests. Evergreen forest. Yes students, you all can see on the map green colored part. These are evergreen forests. The trees in this forest do not shed their leaves all at once. Here, when one group of trees shed their leaves, the other groups grow new leaves. Hence, the forest looks green throughout the year. Yes, students, understood? Okay. These forests are very dense. What do you mean by dense? Containing a lot of things with little space between them. In this case, trees. Yes, clear everyone? Okay. Some important trees found here are rosewood, bamboo, ebony and mahogany. Evergreen forests are found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats, hills of northeastern India, and also in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yes, children, you all can see on the map. The colored part are deciduous forests. They are also known as monsoon forests. The trees shed their leaves during the dry season. Some trees found here are mahua, sandalwood, sal and teak. Sandalwood is found in Karnataka. The deciduous forests are found in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha and some parts of Peninsula Plateau. Yes, clear everyone? Yes, children. The colored part on map are thorn and scrub forests. The trees and shrubs in these forests have long roots, thorns, thick stems, and small leaves. What do you mean by thorn? The small, sharp pointed part on the stem of some plants, such as rose. Clear everyone? Okay. The plants which grow here can survive without water for a long period. Yes, students, the plants which grow here can survive without water for a long period. Clear, all of you? Thorn and scrub forests are found in desert area of Rajasthan and dry areas of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Mountain forests are found in Himalayan region and parts of the Nilgiri hills. No trees grow on snow-covered mountains. The trees are tall and some trees bear cones. What do you mean by cones? The hard dry fruit of a pine tree. Trees mostly have pointed or needle-like leaves. Trees like pine, spruce and deodar are found in mountain forests. Tidal or mangrove forests. Mangrove means a tropical tree that grows in mud or at the edge of rivers. Its roots are above the ground. These forests are also dense. The trees have special roots which grow above the ground. The wood of these trees is hard. Sundari is an important tree which grows in West Bengal. Mangrove forests grow in the delta regions of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers and some parts of Gujarat and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, children, now let us recall what we just learned. There are two types of natural resources. Which are they? Yes, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Natural resources which are limited in quantity are called exhaustible resources. Natural resources which are present in plenty and do not reduce in quantity even after continuous use are called inexhaustible resources. Okay, children? After that, we have learned the various types of forests present in India. They are evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon forest, thorn and scrub forest, mountain forest, tidal or mangrove forest. Okay, children, now it's time for home fun activity. On a political map of India, color the types of forests with the help of the given key. Students, you can refer the map given in the lesson. I am ending today's session here. I hope you all understood today's session very well. In the next session, we will continue with the importance of the forests and wildlife of India. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye everyone.